Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G41, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to select Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this Motorola. Now wait for the pop-up and select Pair in it. Come on. Then wait for this device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by clicking on this gear icon next to the device and choosing Forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!